I have this really nice relationship with the Massachusetts Conference for Women, which is a really large conference for women in Boston. They invited me to run a grace trail through their vendor market area. We had 5 booths and stations set up where women could walk and access these 5 questions and also the movement and energy of grace. We invited participants to join us in this gallery of gratitude. People wrote what they are grateful for in their life on Post-it notes, put it up on this wall to share with everyone else at the conference. This is a time when the participants at the conference got to experience the energy of letting go. They could take whatever it was that they felt was holding them back and weighing them down, and they threw these balls that lit up and they put them into the trash cans with the energy of letting go and then walking away from it and leaving it right there. To accept is to see and hear clearly what's right in front of you in your life. That by encouraging people to actually write it down, what they needed to accept and what they wanted to accept, and hang it up on the clothesline, that they found they were not that far away from each other. We asked people to write down on a postcard the challenge that they intend to complete or wish to begin in the next year. This exercise is meant to be reviewed by them when they receive the postcard in the mail and are reminded of what their intentions and their objectives were for this year. Participants got to this station. We asked, what can you embrace as possible in your life? We captured their answer on a whiteboard, which they held up next to their face, and we took a selfie of them. So they are now taking home a reminder of what is possible in their life.